Previous class we completed up to protein synthesis, phytohormones, everything. Today we complete from biotechnology, genetic engineering to mushroom cultivation. So we discussed some bits regarding this one. First one, a glycoprotein produced by a virus in the infected host cells. A glycoprotein produced by virus in the infected host cells is interferon. What is interferon? A chemical substance produced by virus in the host cells, infected host cells, to prevent the infection of other viruses is interferon. So a glycoprotein produced by a virus in the infected host cells is not probe, it is not antibiotic, it is not hormone, it is interferon, a chemical secreted by virus infected cell. Virus itself in the infected cell to stop the infection of other viruses is interferon. This is a matching tabular form. Match the following enzyme and use: papain, rennet, proteases, monosodium glutamate, flavoring agent, leather softener, meat tenderizer, cheese preparation and artificial sweetener. A3, papain, it is meat tenderizer. Papain is widely used in meat tenderizing. Rennet is used in making cheese. In the cheese production, rennet is widely used. Proteases are popularly used as leather softeners. Monosodium glutamate is a flavoring agent. So, papain, meat tenderizer, rennet, cheese preparation, proteases, leather softener, and monosodium glutamate, flavoring agent. Which of the following are nutritionally influenced diseases? Nutritionally influenced diseases means the diseases caused due to the deficiency of various nutrient substances. Whenever food material get deficient or various nutrient material get deficient, these type of diseases occur. They are diabetes, hypertension, cancer. So, diabetes, hypertension, cancer are nutritionally influenced diseases. AIDS is caused due to some other reasons. So, diabetes, hypertension and cancer are nutritionally influenced diseases. Proteomics, genomics are supported by. Proteomics means the science that deals with the study of knowing the chain or sequence of amino acids in a computer is proteomics. Genomics means the concept or science of studying genomes by using computer technique. Genome is a haploid set of chromosomes. So, proteomics is chain or advance or what you call sequence of amino acids in a protein by computer is proteomics. Genomics is the sequence of genes with the help of computer is genomics. It is not gene therapy, it is not bioremedy, it is not biopesticides, it is bioinformatics. So, bioinformatics is the concept which supports proteomics and genomics. How many genes are introduced in type A variety of rice for production of vitamin rich A golden rice variety? So, to produce golden rice variety, how many genes of vitamin A are introduced into type A variety means 4 genes. How many genes are introduced into type A for the production of vitamin A rich golden rice variety is 4 genes are introduced to produce golden rice variety. Mushrooms can be cultivated on domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, hospital waste. So, mushrooms can be cultivated on any waste recycling. Mushrooms and SCP are very much useful. So, domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, hospital waste, all can be used in the growing mushrooms. Roots of biotechnology are present in. Roots of biotechnology means how the genes are transferred and other things. It is not PCR technology, it is not fermentation technology, it is not chromatography technology, it is rDNA technology. rDNA technology means a gene is isolated, it is inserted into a vector. Vector is allowed to multiply continuously to produce same copy of genes which are called clones. Clones are introduced into a host, they are allowed to multiply within the host, along with the host. Transformed cells are formed. Like this method is conducted. So, roots of biotechnology are present in rDNA technology, first option.